Welcome Filipino food lovers! My name is Joy, and with this channel, I want to share my love for Filipino food with you. I started cooking Filipino recipes when I was 12 years old to help my parents while working around the farm. In today's video, we will make the most popular bread in the Philippines, known as pandesal. It's a favorite bread for breakfast, or as a snack, you can eat it on its own, dunk it in coffee, or with filling like coconut jam, peanut butter, or practically any leftovers lying in the fridge. Pandesal comes from the Spanish pandesal, literally bread of salt, which is an interesting name considering that the rolls are not salty. Some say this bread has the Portuguese origin, yet Chinese style buns are more closely related. Pandesal is easy and simple to make. It is soft, fluffy, and covered with breadcrumbs. This recipe should take you 2 hours of total preparation time. For this recipe, you will need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 cup of milk or lukewarm, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of butter melted, 1 1/2 teaspoon dry yeast, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. Recipe steps: warm the milk in the saucepan on low heat for about 30 seconds until it's warm. Ensure it's not hot, otherwise the yeast will begin to die off. Transfer the warm milk to a large glass bowl. In a small bowl, dissolve the yeast in 1/4 cup of lukewarm milk. Let it stand for 10 minutes. Stir until the yeast has completely dissolved. Melt the butter into the saucepan on low heat for about 10 seconds. In a large bowl, pour the sugar, salt, and flour, and with a handheld mixer on low speed, mix well until well combined. Add the remaining milk, the yeast mixture, the egg, and the melted butter. Beat it on a low speed until smooth. Add milk if needed. Fold until a sticky dough forms. Sprinkle flour. Dip the dough on the floured surface and knead it until it becomes smooth and elastic for about 5 minutes. Form the dough into a ball. Pour the oil into the bowl and lightly coat the dough with the oil. Cover the bowl with a kitchen towel or plastic wrap. Let it rise at room temperature until it doubles in size. This process could take 30 minutes to an hour. Once the dough has doubled in size, you are ready for the next step. Punch the dough and divide it into 4 equal parts using a knife or dough slicer. Roll each into a log shape. Cut each log into 4 equal pieces. Shape them into a ball. And roll them into breadcrumbs covering all sides. Arrange the pieces on a baking sheet, leaving 1-inch gaps between them so they won't stick together. You can now leave them rising a second time until they doubled in size for about 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 37 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes while waiting for them to double in size. Bake them for about 15 minutes or until sides slightly brown. Remove them from the oven and serve them warm. If you are like me, you will enjoy your warm homemade pandesal like with a warm cup of freshly brewed coffee. They will keep it in an airtight container at room temperature for 2 to 3 days. If you want more delicious Filipino recipe, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy your warm pandesal!